Welcome to this quick guide on how to search for starred messages on LinkedIn using your PC. With the recent updates, finding important conversations has never been easier. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the messaging features. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look for the messaging icon located at the bottom corner of the screen. It's represented by an envelope symbol. Click on it to open your messaging inbox. Now that you have your messages open, locate the search bar at the top of the messaging window. To filter your messages effectively, click on the filter icon next to this search bar. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Starred. This option allows you to focus solely on those conversations that you've marked as important. It's a fantastic way to keep track of crucial discussions without sifting through all your messages. After selecting Starred, you'll see a list of all the messages you've starred previously. If you're looking for something specific within these messages, simply type in what you're searching for in the search bar. This could be a keyword or even a name of a person involved in the conversation. As you type, LinkedIn will filter through your starred messages and display only those that match your search criteria. This feature not only saves time, but also helps ensure you don't miss out on any important follow-ups or information. Once you find what you're looking for, click on the message to open it and continue your conversation from where you left off. And that's it. You've now mastered how to search for starred messages on LinkedIn using your PC. This new update enhances your ability to manage important communications effectively, making your LinkedIn experience smoother and more organized. Happy networking!